next item is, it's our pleasure, we have a proclamation tonight, and I will go ahead and read this into the record. So, the Town of Port Royal Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, celebrating Gullah Geechee land, living, and legacy. Whereas the Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the populations of these Africans increased as shuttled enslavements grew in the 1600s, and whereas the Africans began to engage with, and in some instances create families with the indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called the Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands and Low Countries of the Carolina, Georgia, Florida, to stand for their human rights and self-determination, and whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas this elected and sold St. Helena Island native, whose family roots are also stemmed from Palawana and Data Island, Queenie Quit, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queenie Quit has served as the official head Pudapande and spokesperson for the Gullah Geechee Nation since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the theme of this year's celebration is Gullah Geechee, Geechee land and living legacy, and whereas we support the continuation of the Gullah Geechee culture, heritage, and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation, now therefore I, Mayor Joe DeVito, and Port Royal Town Council, here do proclamate July 29, 2023 through August 5th, 2023, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all citizens to celebrate the citizens of Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme of Celebration Gullah Geechee Land and Living Legacy, dated this date today, to 2023. So thank you again for everything you do. Council want to group up together so we can get a picture of everybody?
Beautiful group shot.
Oh yeah, those standing behind us.
Yeah, love these photo ops.
Every opportunity we can get. Can you get everybody behind us?
Got everybody? Thank you. Hold that. Stay there. Yep.
Thank you. Now we can.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Just for our. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Again for everything you do.
I appreciate you.
Need anything for us? Reach out.
I will. I will.
Have a good day.
And thank you to the town.
Thank you.
So glad you for being here one more again. And just want to make sure to invite all the 100 children to come over, because just like last year, we going to launch Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week right here in Wee County, right when we all in it, right on. So here, right on St. Helena Island. So for the first time, we going to actually launch at Penn Center. So we going to be there this year. For the first time, we're going to have Gullah Geechee Family Day. So that's going to be the last Saturday in July 29th. All right, starting at noon and things like that. And I see all of them chilling your head and things that not this year, yeah, so y'all get there. Y'all can get me and overstand now. Y'all doing good on the Gullah down in Port Royal. Y'all ain't looking at me strange anymore. Y'all understand it. So I appreciate it. So yes, Saturday, July the 29th, come on over the bridge. Bring your boats or whatever, because y'all know you'll probably get there faster by boat from here to St. Helena. Come right on to the dock at Penn Center and join us at 12. And like I told them last night in the other town, over in the other city, in Beaufort, I said, well, technically we're supposed to end at 4, but that 4 might end up being 4 a.m. if y'all bring your dancing shoes instead of 4 p.m. because we are going to have great music, great food, and of course a very positive and uplifting atmosphere. And so we are looking forward to everyone joining us. The museum will be open that day. Darrell Hall, our Reconstruction Era National Landmark Historic Park site there will be open, and I'm looking forward to when we can come back here and shout out meet the Emancipation Oak and things like that. I know you got some plans moving forward there as well. And so at some point we can have a family day right there under the Emancipation Oak right there in Port Royal. But in the meantime, come on across the creek. We're looking forward to you celebrating with us. So thank you one more again.